Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started you will want to pop out the tray which is located on the top of the device. So if I flip it over you can see it right over here. Now you don't need any kind of tool like I prepared right here, it's not needed actually. All you basically need to do is using your fingernail pull it off like so. And from here you have space for a SIM card and SD card, so place each one accordingly. It also shows you a little image of how they're supposed to be placed. There we go, there is the SIM card. Let's drop the SD card as well in here. And then put it back into the device. Now I believe it will automatically, restart when you insert a SIM card. Not sure why it does this. No other device really needs to do this, but apparently Sony is special in this case, so let's just wait for it to turn back on. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so let's put that in. I guess let's go through another restart. Let's try that again. So the SIM card is obviously working, and also you have the message about the SD card up on here. So both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert SIM and SD into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.